So now we're all ready to sew. I'm going to turn my machine on. You see the LED lights, which are great bright lights that last a really long time. Your LCD display is over here. We're going to go over these buttons again just very briefly. This is your start and stop button. This is really great because this means you do not have to use a foot pedal, which is pretty cool. It's also really good for kids if they have trouble reaching. Now this is your reverse button. So you can either hold this button and sew backwards or reinforce a stitch at a low speed. This button is your auto lock button. This will lock your stitches in place. And this is your needle up and down button. This is a great feature if you're wanting to sew something and you want to turn the fabric. If you press this button, it will automatically keep the needle in the down position, so you can just keep going as you're sewing and turning. This is your speed control. Goes from low to medium to high. Your LCD display. This is your stitch width, minus and plus. You just select either up or down for the length. This is your width, your stitch width, again, minus plus, up or down. This is your memory button. So if you're saving patterns, then you would be pressing these buttons and moving back and forth using these arrows to make those selections. If you wanted to clear out a pattern that you have stored to your memory, you would just press the clear button, which is the C. These buttons are all of your utility stitches, so they're your direct stitches. You'll see that come up here. And this is your mirrored pattern button. So if we were doing a series of flowers, for instance, instead of having them all on the right side, it would do right, left, right, left, right, left, mirroring the patterns. This is your mode button. So you would press this to move off of the direct stitches, which are your utility stitches here. And we want to use pattern card. Pattern card 1 is all of your decorative stitches. Pattern card 2 is all of your alphabet stitches. I'll show you what those look like.